Hi there, it's George here. Has been a while since I didn't show you update on my sweet potato plants, and they are looking very good, especially this one with large leaves. And in the past I had a sweet potato water with potato, just I put to grow roots, and then I transfer that potato in the potting soil, but rotten, and that's it. And I take cuttings from that potato and plant it in my own potting soil, which is this, and now started to grow now in summertime, very beautiful and so happy. But this I planted in the coconut substrate, and not looking so good like this one, as you can see here. So large leaves on this one, and new shoots are growing like crazy now, because in summer it's hot, the plant loves hot, that's it, and growing so nice. So I have to report already this beauty, because the roots are here on the bottom of the holes already, and have to prune this cutting, and I will have more of sweet potato plants. So that's it. But this have to report too in the own potting soil, I mean compost. So they're looking just great. Thanks for watching. Like, follow and share. Bye bye.